Everybody, this is Coach Kevin again coming at you from Seattle with the Seattle Happy Feet. I'm the Director of Coaching at the Seattle Happy Feet program, and I just wanted to wish everybody a Happy New Year. And since you guys are all in the spirit of turning into 2015, I want to show you guys my spirit by having a little noise fest. How about this one? Happy New Year to everybody.
Isn't that littering?
Oh, that's right, kids. I forgot to mention, don't litter. I'm going to pick those up now. Now, the move for this month is the strike. And the breakdown for that with the youngest kids is we just want them to get into the, to learn the motion of kicking the soccer ball. We don't want to worry about them kicking the soccer ball with their laces or anything like that. We just would like them to get the motion of kicking. So what we want to do is we want to have them worry about kicking the ball in front of them as far as they can. So they're going to step and they're just going to swing their leg as hard as they can, kick it with whatever part of the foot they would like, and kick it as hard as they can and have lots of fun. With the preschool kids, we would like for them to work on kicking with their laces. This is a big thing. That's how you generate your power when you're striking the ball. So you want to put your foot next to the ball and you want to strike with your laces. Right here, if you look on your shoe right there, that's your laces. You want to point your toe towards the ground and you want to strike through the ball just like that. And for a little bit of what this would look like in a class, we have a cone set up. So I would like to show everyone how this will work. They're going to point their toe towards the ground, make sure their ankle is locked. They're going to strike through the ball with their laces and it should knock over the cone. Now for our pre-K kids, what we want to work on with them is we want to work on their guiding foot, which for me is going to be my left foot. Wherever I point that toe is wherever the ball is going to go. So if I want the ball to go to my left, I'm going to point that way. If I want it to go to the right, I'm going to point that way. If I want it to go straight ahead, obviously I'm going to point it straight ahead. Again, we're going to work on kicking with our laces because that's how we generate the most power. We have a goal set up here. The pre-K kids, we like to use the plug goals for the pre-K kids. With the pre-K kids, we just want them to try to kick it as hard as they can to the goal while working on using their guide foot as a directional helper for them. So it's going to look like this. And hopefully they don't break the goal. And then we also have a little bit of a breakdown for our oldest kids, our older pre-K kids. With those kids, they've probably been working on kicking the ball for a little while now, or striking the ball for a little while. So what we'd like to do with them is explain the difference between kicking it in the air or kicking on the ground. So sometimes they'll want to kick the ball on the ground. Same with their directional foot. They want to point it towards their target, and they want to kick the top half of the ball just like this. That will keep the ball on the ground. So it'll look like this. I'll step back and give an example here. Step towards the ball, kick the top half, and the ball will be on the ground. Now if the kids want to kick the ball in the air, since the older kids, you can play some games with them where they'll get the ball in the air. So it's the same two steps. You're going to point your directional foot towards the goal. However, this time you're going to kick the bottom of the ball and you can lean back a little bit. That's what gets the ball into the air. So you're going to point your foot, kick on the ground, and kick the ball in the air just like that. All right, once again, that was our move of the month for January, which was the strike. And I'd like to wish everyone a happy 2013, happy 2015 New Year.